So to start this, you're going to flip the unit over and take out the bottom cover screws. Now that the bottom cover screws are out, you can open up the unit, take your spudger and pop up the palm rest. So now you can flip the palm rest over and unplug the battery. And then you can disconnect the touchpad cable and the keyboard cable. Next, you can take your spudger and start popping off the bezel. Once the bezel is pretty loose, it should just pop right off. Once the bezel's off, you want to take out these 4 screws that are holding the LCD into place. And then lift up the LCD and flip it over so that you can remove the LCD cable. Now you can take your new LCD and replace it by reconnecting the LCD cable to the back of the LCD. And then putting the LCD back into place in the top cover. And putting these 4 screws back in to hold it down. And then you can grab your bezel and pop your bezel back on. So now you can take your palm rest and reconnect the touchpad cable and the keyboard cable back into the motherboard. And now just reconnect the battery. Then pop the palm rest back into place. And then you can close the unit and flip it over and put the bottom cover screws back in. To verify the repair, you can plug in the AC adapter, open up the unit, and hold in the power button. If the LCD comes on, then the repair was successful, and you can shut the unit back down.